Hi, and welcome to my planting and gardening channel. So I'm here on my balcony on the third floor, and today is October 1st, 2024, my first gardening video on YouTube. So I'm first presenting my beautiful plant that I've had several years, and I'll come in a bit closer. It's called the Passionflower plant. Some of the leaves are getting yellow, which is telling me that it wants to be taken inside. It's a tropical plant, and it would not survive the Canadian winter out here on the balcony. It would freeze to death. So here's the other passion flower plant that's sitting in this wooden um, box, and flower whatever, and it's got probably 8 inches of really good quality dirt, and I took like 8 snippings from the other plant I was just showing you, the mother plant, and this one will I'll take many snippings and put them in just water bottles or old wine bottles over the winter, and let them sprout, and then next spring I'll replant them. So here we're lucky today, we have one passion flower, and when it first comes out it smells a lot like a very sweet bubble gum. And this year I was lucky that I had a number of flowers that came on this thing. Now we're at the tail end of the season, and they're going to start dying off. And this thing is a climber. So if you um, are fortunate enough to find it at your local nursery where you're living, then and you're planting it outside, and you're in a tropical place uh, like even Florida or Texas, then you give this thing a lot of room to grow. It's very evasive, but because I'm growing it in this flower box, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, highly recommended. You're really gonna love the flowers. They only stay open for about 2-3 days, and then they close up like this one here, and then they just drop to the ground. That's it. There's the only way to propagate this plant that I found here in Canada is to take snippings, put in water, and I'll make a future video, and you'll see how I do that, and it'll kind of explain itself.